Hey there! Today we're diving into something super useful. How to find the volume of a prism. Ever wonder how much space is inside a box or a cereal container? That's volume. First things first. What exactly is a prism? A prism is a three-dimensional shape that has two identical parallel faces called bases, and the sides are rectangles. You might have seen a rectangular prism before. It looks just like a box. Prisms are identified by the shape of their bases. If a prism has a triangular base, then it is called a triangular prism. If the base is a hexagon, then it is called a hexagonal prism, and so forth, and so on. The key to finding their volumes are knowing how to find the area of their bases. Now, here's the magic formula for finding volume. Volume equals base area times height. That's it. Find the area of the base and multiply it by how tall the prism is. Let's try an example. This is a rectangular prism with a height of 8 centimeters, a width of 3 centimeters, and a length of 2 centimeters. To find the base area, multiply length by width. 2 times 3 equals 6 square centimeters. Now multiply the height by the base area. 8 times 6 equals 48 cubic centimeters. And that's the volume. Let's try one more. This time with a triangular prism. It has the following dimensions. The triangular base has a height of 3 inches and bottom base of 6 inches. The overall height of the prism is 15 inches. Step 1 is to find the area of the triangular base. Remember, the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. For this problem, we will calculate 1/2 times 6 inches times 3 inches. The area equals 9 square inches. Step 2 is to multiply the area of the triangular base by the height of the prism. We'll multiply 9 inches squared by 15 inches. This will give us a final volume of 135 cubic inches. Now it's your turn. Here's a rectangular prism with base dimensions 4 centimeters and 2 centimeters and a height of 7 centimeters. What's the volume? Take your time. Stop the video if you need to. Got it? Let's check. First, you were supposed to calculate the area of the prism's base. 4 centimeters times 2 centimeters, which equals 8 square centimeters. Then you multiply the area of the base by the prism's height. 8 square centimeters times 7 equals 56 cubic centimeters. If you got the right answer, then you're on a roll. Good job. Prisms are everywhere. Cereal boxes are rectangular prisms. Tents can be triangular prisms. Aquariums, too. Knowing how to find their volume helps you in science, math, and even in real life. And that's it. You did great today. Remember, volume equals base area times height. And don't forget to identify the shape of the base. Practice makes perfect. Thanks for learning with us, and keep exploring math.